Yes, welcome again in maths lesson. We have discussed the basic concepts of trigonometry in previous two lessons. We have discussed six trigonometric ratios. We have seen that three trigonometric ratios are basic and other three are reciprocal of first three. First three के रेसिप्रोकल जो बाद वाले तीन हैं वो कहलाते हैं टोटल सिक्स trigonometric ratios. Now I am coming on important question number 8. Question number 8 is, if 3 cot A equals to 4, this is basic statement which is given, and our question is check whether one minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A equals to cos square A minus sin square A. This is our question. You have to use this statement and find the value of this and this. You have to check value of this equals to this or not. आपको ये चेक करना है कि इसकी वैल्यू जब फाइंड करें और इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे अलग से. यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस वैल्यू सेपरेटली. इसकी वैल्यू आपको अलग से फाइंड करनी पड़ेगी. तो इन दोनों की वैल्यूज को फाइंड करके आप देखेंगे, कंपेयर करके कि ये इक्वल है कि नहीं. इफ बोथ वैल्यूज आर सेम, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. इफ बोथ वैल्यूज आर डिफरेंट, you can write this value is not equals to this value. Bas, this is our question, and begin from this statement. You have already known this is multiplicative number, coefficient. So our next step is cot A equals to 4 upon 3. This is our reciprocal trigonometric ratio. Cot is reciprocal of tan and tan is reciprocal of cot. So you can find here value of tan directly. Value of tan is tan A equals to 3 upon 4. So you can find here 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A directly. But for this, you have to make a right angle triangle. We find value of tan A directly from cot. But for cos and sin, we have to draw triangle and use the formula of Pythagoras. You can find the value of 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A directly here. Yes. This is our divider line. 1 minus. What is the value of 10? 10 value of 10 is 3 upon 4. And value of 10 again. There is no difference between lower and upper side, but other than sign. Sign के अलावा कोई difference नहीं है. This is our division line, divider line. 1 minus, open this bracket, 3 upon 4 into 3 upon 4 gives 9 upon 16. On lower side, positive 9 upon 16. You have to find here LCM, upper side LCM is 16. If two terms are given and one term is 1, then you can use simplest way to calculate them, like this, multiply them and multiply it. You will get 7 upon 16. So our upper side is 7 upon 16. And lower side is positive. So put here positive sign. You will get in lower side 16 plus 9, 25. 25 upon 16. You can cancel here directly, or you can use this logic, because this is divider line, this is division, and lower fraction should be रेसिप्रोकल. लोअर साइड की जो फ्रैक्शन है वो रेसिप्रोकल होनी चाहिए मल्टीप्लाई में. सो कैंसिल देम and you will get 7 upon 25. So our first statement value 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a gives 7 upon 25. Now calculate it. For this you have to find hypotenuse, because its formula is base upon hypotenuse and its formula is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. According to Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. There is no hypotenuse in tan and cot, but hypotenuse is present in sine, cos, and as well as in sec and cosec. So make here right angle triangle. Put here angle A, acute angle. You can assume B and C anywhere. You can assume B here or here. But put here A. B and C. And what is the formula of cot? Cot is reciprocal of tan. So base upon perpendicular. This is base 4 and perpendicular is 3. So our hypotenuse is unknown. Apply the formula of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. And what is the base? Base is 4 units. And what is the perpendicular? Perpendicular has 3 units length. So here 16 plus 9. This will give 25. Here h square is equals to there. Now h equals to, make under root. Put the sign of under root here. You will get 5. So hypotenuse is 5. Now find cos and sine. So what is the value of cos? Cos A. A is our acute angle. Cos is this. Yes. Base upon hypotenuse. So cos value is base this and hypotenuse this. And what is the value of sine? Sine is the first trigonometric ratio, P upon H. And what is the P? P is 3. And what is the H? H is 5. Put both values in cos square A minus sine square. नाउ आई एम कैलकुलेटिंग cos स्क्वायर ए माइनस साइन स्क्वायर ए. cos स्क्वायर ए minus sin square a. What is the value of cos? Cos is 4 upon 5. And put here square also. And sin value is 3 upon 5. And put square also. You will get 16 upon 25 minus 9 upon 25. Both fractions has same denominator, so you can subtract directly. इनको डायरेक्ट आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. दिस इज गिव्स 7 upon 25. You can see here value of 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a is 7 upon 25, and as well as cos square a minus sin square a value is 7 upon 25. So this is true. This statement is true. ये जो स्टेटमेंट लिखा हुआ है ये ट्रू है. बस ये चेक करना था आपको ऐसे वैल्यूज फाइंड करके. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेसन में. कुछ क्वेश्चंस को आप ट्राई करें.